Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the AnteJuice inside of the Abiotic Factor. So this is the, end of the manufacturing wing, where there is the second monorail, and over here is the mines area, where you can see all the excavation that goes on down here. Now, if you go down the ramp from the second tram, there is this tunnel area that's got some very neat ramps. You could go up through here, and this is the wraparound that will unlock when we go find the AnteJuice. And then you'll need to go to the left here and down, and then immediately we're going to go slightly to the left and up this ramp. There will be some invisible spider aliens in here. Just ignore them. They're pretty much harmless. And then you're going to want to go past this minecart as you go up the ramp, and then around this corner to your right. You'll know you're in the right place because there's another cart here, and there's this little squat area where you dip down, and then here is the giant cavern with the AnteJuice. There's also some free rice for you to pick up here to level up your agriculture, and here you can set up your Antiverse bees that you can craft. They like to be next to AnteJuice, although don't put them too close together or else they will not function properly. And then through here, there's not a lot in here. You can set up a mini base if you want. There's a plug right here. And then if you go up here, there is a wraparound through this door. So you can go down this little stairs, ramp, thingamabob. And then at the very bottom here is the wraparound to this side door, which will probably be covered in crates. Which makes a nice, convenient shortcut to get back up in here. There's also a spider that patrols over there, but you can pretty much just ignore him. If you come through here without going into the Antiverse chamber first, the AnteJuice chamber, it'll just be locked from the outside, from the inside here. So, if you're curious as to where this teleporter goes, it goes above the pool, like to the top of the cavern, so you can see the pool there. You can get back to it if you jump down. Otherwise, this door up here leads you back to the giant excavator in the next room. The one where it leads down to the large hadron collider that explodes and leads you to the labs section. And from here, the safest way, if you do find yourself up here and you don't want to go back into the pool, you can jump onto the roof of this building and then jump down over there, and you should be just fine. If you're curious what you can use AnteJuice for, it is a replacement for drinkable water. And that way you don't have to filter it or anything early in the game until you get the water filter. And then you can do things like bring your water containers over here with a bucket, and you can fill the bucket and then fill up your drinking water with this AnteJuice. You can use it to drink, you can use it to cook with, you cannot use it to farm. So, I hope you found that helpful. This has been a look at how to find the AnteJuice inside of Abiotic Factor, unlock the wraparound, and also what you can do with it. You can also fill barrels with it, and then when you package this back up and put it in your inventory, it'll be heavier, but it will also still contain the AnteJuice, the purple water. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to find AnteJuice inside of Abiotic Factor. I hope you found that helpful. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.